Hi, everybody. As we proceed through week 3 and start looking toward week 4, I wanted to touch base about a couple of things. The first of those is that we have our first buzzword presentation starting next week. So, we'll have 3 presenters. Definitely check those out. As I've mentioned before, this is a great way to get a brief introduction to various technology topics, which, as information professionals, is very handy because it gives us the ability to have conversations around technology, even if we're not experts ourselves, right? So check those out. I also wanted to point out with your week 2 assignment, everyone's done a pretty nice job with that. But what I would like for you to do moving forward is that I noticed with this lab that a lot of people shared a screenshot of their website, of their creation of a little text document that you display in the web browser. For that, I would like you to start using links. So, as an example, here's this little HTML document that I created. I've uploaded it to my Simmons web server, just like you did with your text document. And in the web browser, I've got this nice link right here. All you have to do is copy and paste that link and put it into your Word document or whatever you're submitting your assignment with. So that way I can easily click on it, access your page, no problem. As you're working with HTML, eventually with CSS, this will become really critical. So just be sure that you're including the link. You don't have to put anything fancy around it, no brackets, no parentheses, nothing like that. All you have to do is copy and paste the link. I will find it. The other thing I wanted to point out is that with week 4, we're going to keep moving forward with HTML, and we'll start working with CSS as well. You'll start working with uploading, I guess week 5, you'll start working with uploading your documents to the Simmons web server. So you won't have to go through the command line to do this. You'll be using tools that allow you to transfer your files to the web server. But just know that things are going to continue to build from here, and this is a really great opportunity to start thinking about your personal website. So if you wanted to do your website as a portfolio, that's great. That's how the assignment is designed. But if you have other ideas for the kind of website you want to create, maybe you already have your own website, please reach out to me and we can discuss that. I want you to create something that you're happy with. The other thing I want to point out here is that if you're starting to think about all this stuff now, you can kind of start to build your website through these assignments, which is super handy, right? So especially starting with week 4, this is a great time to think, okay, well, what do I think I'm going to do my website on? And how can I start to create templates that I can use later on when I'm trying to work through this final project? So that's it for this week. Great job so far, everyone. Been really impressed with the work that you're doing. So hang in there and keep up the good work.